What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 that comes with a 13 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. For pictures we got the HDR, beautification and the front flash mode. For videos we got the beautification and the time lapse, but if you use the beautification on the front facing camera video recording, then the video resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only. You can record 1080p resolution time lapse videos, and for the time lapse you also get the option to select the speed from 4x to 1800x. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use the front facing camera of Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, then how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because many more videos of Redmi Note 11 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.